So question is like, can a class implement two interfaces that have methods with same name? So this question is a bit abstract, okay? This has multiple variants. We'll try to understand all the different variants. Just before we go there, right? Just one thing I would like to say is whatever the content you're getting, this is like a premium content. So you will get only this in paid courses. So I'm giving it for free. So watch this video till the end and please like and subscribe to the channel as well as please share your thoughts in the comment. So that will encourage us to create some more content. So let's move on to the answer for this. So as I said, there are three different variants. We'll try to understand different variants and its answers also. Let's try to understand the first variant. So here, if you see there is an interface A, interface B, this class is extending both, and both of these interface methods are having same name and same signature, like both are returning void. So you have to override it. Okay, let's say if I comment this method, right? So you can't simply implement it. You have to override it because both are abstract methods. I mean, one way is you can make this class as abstract, then it will work. Okay. But if you are having a concrete class, then you have to override the methods. So JVM will get to know like how it needs to be handled. So this is pretty clear. So you can have two interface with same method names, and what you have to do is in order to make it work, you have to override that in the concrete class. So this is the one variant. Let's try to understand the second variant. So let's say if the let's try to understand the second variant. Let's say if two interfaces contains same method names but return is different, return type is different, signature is different. So in this case, right, you can't implement. So you can see both of them are having two different signatures. So you can't override also. So this will not work either. One way is you have to fix these interfaces or you have to implement one of the interface. You can't implement both the interface here. So this is another variant of a question. There is third variant also. Let's try to understand that. So this is a third variant of a question. So here, right, we are having default methods. So even the interface one contains this one and interface two also contains same method, same signature, but it's a default. There's already implementation. But let's say if you say I don't override it, so you will get compilation error. So you have to override it. But when you override, right? So if you have to pick up some behavior, like you don't need to add the implementation, you want to pick up something existing only, then what you can do is you can take this interface, use super, and call the methods. So here I'm calling interface once method. So same thing you can do interface two also. Just you have to specify ib.super.method. That's it. So this is how you can handle interfaces with same method names if a class is implementing interfaces with same method name. This is how you can handle. I hope you understood different variants. I hope you'll definitely appreciate this because nobody will give you this depth of variance and what you have to do in each of these cases. So let's move on to next question. So answer we have already discussed. As long as methods have same signature, the implementing class needs to provide only one implementation for both the interface. So we understood.